Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing from an Etsy shop called The Little Jungle. If you're interested, then stay tuned. Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, as you see in the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I mentioned this unboxing in my last unboxing video from Etsy. And as I mentioned, I ordered 2 plants on the same day, but unfortunately, this one just arrived. I put in my order on the 4th, and today is now the 12th, and it's just now getting here. But I'm excited, so let's open this package. So this is what the package looks like. It was shipped priority mail. It came from The Little Jungle, which is an Etsy shop online. I'm excited to open this package. With no further delay, we're going to crack this thing open. So, I'm going to keep it a secret of what plant I actually got. Once again, so that you all can be surprised. Okay. Let's try it the other way. There we go. All right, so now before I completely open this, I want to say that this too is one of my wish list plants that didn't make the wish list video, but I'm happy I finally get to own it. So let's see. This is the receipt. On this plant, I spent a total of $30.36. She wrote a note saying, "Hope you enjoy," with a smiley face. Thank you, Rachel. Okay. This is how it came packaged. I don't see any soil anywhere, so looks good. But it's taped down to the box. So I'm going to gently untape that. Okay. And we'll move the box to the side. Gently remove this tape. It's packaged very well. Okay. So inside of this package, this up like so, is another package that is also taped up as well. Okay, let's try to open this without ruining anything. Oh guys, I can see it from here. Like my daughter Nivy, when she gets excited, she's like, okay, I'm trying to be gentle because I don't want to tear any leaves off. Okay. And Of course, I don't want to get any of this dirt on my floor. But I don't know if you guys can tell what it is just yet. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Feast your eyes on that, guys. Now, again, I do not want to butcher its scientific name, but I think the way you pronounce this is Hoya macrofolia variegata. Hoya macrofolia variegata. And guys, it is much larger than what I anticipated. Oh. I'm gonna try to loosen it up a bit. Check that out. Guys. I'm gonna take the tissue paper out. Gently press around it. I'm definitely going to have to water because it's coming out of the soil. But look at that, guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It has 7 leaves. And it is just gorgeous. Although this leaf is a little soft, but maybe once I water it, give it some water, it should be fine. Oh my gosh, OMG. Move this. Try to move this without making a mess. Look at it. Let's check out the leaves. The leaves look good. Has plenty of variegation, and look at this huge leaf here. I don't know if you guys can see that leaf is huge. Wow, thank you, Rachel. I wasn't expecting this. It's actually coming up out of the dirt, and it's got me tempted to want to take a peek at the roots. Just because. It looks like it has pretty good root system. So to avoid making more of a mess, just gonna stick that back in there. So yeah, guys, that is my unboxing. I'm going to have to definitely repot this guy up and let it acclimate to its new home, I guess. You guys are here with me. I decided to pot it up and bring you along. is it, guys. That is it for this video. It's all potted up. Now I'm gonna get this baby watered and put in some sunlight. As you can see, I decided to create my own little homemade trellis so that it could grow upwards and live its best life. Thank you so much for coming along on my journey, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell to be notified whenever I post another video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. And until next time, happy growing. Bye.